everyone.
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today, everyone?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're wondering that what I need to teach my 2.5 to 3 years old, this video is perfect for you. Please do watch it till the end. I'm Bindya, and in today's video I will be discussing the lesson plans and the curriculum for 2.5 to 3 years old. I have already uploaded on how to teach to 2 years video on my FB, Insta and YouTube links. And for any questions, please do ask me on the comment section of Insta and YouTube. So let me tell you, my son is 3 years old and I do homeschool him for just 5 days a week, and weekends are always his fun time, especially with that. So I just spend around 30 to 40 minutes every day on teaching him and never force him to study. I always take up the projects as per his interest, and coloring and painting are his favorite. So I start with coloring and painting, and then start with reading books, solving puzzles, counting numbers, alphabets. I'm in a proper homeschooling for just 30 to 40 minutes. So let's start the curriculum for 2.5 to 3 years old. Also, I will be sharing worksheets and activity videos in the coming days. However, I would request all the parents just to know that if the kid is not ready, please do not force him. Do not force him to just write and trace the alphabets and numbers, because their hands and palms are not fully developed. So you can make them writing once they are above 3.5, but do not force your children. Instead, you can give them crayons and crayons to scribble. So you can just give them the drawing pads, the books, the notebooks to scribble and write down as per the crayons, which is also of the triangle shape. So I have decided the curriculum into 5 sections, which is like basic, maths, English, time and writing. So let's start with the basics. In basics, the kid should be able to understand between the hot and cold, fast and slow concepts, more or less, empty, full, and sorting objects by colors, shapes, and sizes. But I would recommend to do it on a practical basis first. Like you can ask them, can you get me a glass of water? Please get inside the room. Is your t-shirt is too long or small? So this increases the curiosity, and repetition makes them perfect. Then comes the math. They should be able to count and recognize the numbers from 1 to 10 and quantity from 1 to 5. Again, you can do this by daily activities. I would highly recommend flashcards for alphabets and for numbers, because they allow the kids to interact with information in a way that makes it easier to learn. And when it comes to children and toddlers, flashcards help children to improve their knowledge and ability to understand and improve their visual memory. Children, they are not known for their ability to focus, so flashcards makes it easier for the trainer or the moms or the coach to provide small pieces of information in a memorable and interesting way. So yeah, my take is on the flashcards. And next one is English. Yes, he should be able to know to learn ABC and tracing A to Z. Again, I would recommend to teach them only the uppercase when first, and then teach them by rhymes, flashcards, daily practice. I can ensure that they will grasp more with daily repetitions and more visual activities than writing ones. Then comes your writing. And writing is, if your kid is smart and is already holding pens and scribbling, then you can start with the very easy worksheets like cursive lines, sleeping lines. He should be able to draw standing lines, zigzag lines, horizontal lines, wavy lines. I have prepared the worksheets which I will be sharing in coming days. Next one is the time. I mean, your child, when he is 2.5, he should be able to understand today, tomorrow, and yesterday, and like the night, noon, evening, morning. But yeah, seasons and days of weeks are something that you should making them, I mean, start making them learn once they are above 3. Hope this information is helpful for you all, and please, please, please do ask questions if you have any. Also, if you guys need more information, please leave comments in the comment section, either or on Insta or FB. You can DM me on the number which is there, which is mentioned on the Facebook page, or you can mail me. I do read all the comments every day. Trust me, because that motivates me. Your comments actually motivates me to just, I mean, put more hard work. I am a camera shy person. I never come in front of camera. But for you guys, with all the love that you are actually showing, I have come in front of the camera for the first time. And lastly, please do not forget to hit like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.